Okay, hi, I'm Alia. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to use decision making statement in your test case or in my test case in login test case. So, a recent update in our product, in my product I'm working on, we have here now requires users to provide complete domicile and phone number information before they can access the website. So, uh, if a user logs in using an account without these details, domicile and phone number, there's a pop-up form and they'll be prompted to fill in the missing data. So they cannot go anywhere unless they fill the data. So for QA testers, this can be a hassle. Often we rely on old accounts that we've been created before to perform tasks. It looks like a small inconvenience, but I repeat this process dozen of time and it quickly becomes a time wasting, especially when I called login test case on many other of my test cases. So yeah. So that's why I created my login using decision statement, so I can use Katalon to run my pre-testing activities. So in this case, this is not for automation testing. This is just for pre-testing activities. So you can ask Katalon to do your pre-testing activities. So if I log in using an account with or without complete data, Katalon will automatically do it for me. So how do I create that? Okay, let's create the case. First, I'm gonna create the test case, decision making statement. Okay, after I create the test case, I'm gonna click at right here and then add the if statement and else statement right here. Okay, and after that, I'm gonna add the step of login, because before we verify is the pop-up displayed or not, uh, we have to log in first. Okay, here are the login steps. Okay, so here is the fun part. After we logging in, I'm gonna ask Katalon to check if the pop-up display or not, if I use the complete data account or not. So here on the if statement, I'm gonna double click input column right here, and then I'm gonna select the value type and select method call. And then on the value right here, you can double click again, and then on the object type, you can select variable. And on object, you can type web UI, because I'm gonna verify the web UI to check if is the pop-up display or not. And the method is I'm gonna use verify text present. Yeah, right here. Why I use verify text present? Because on the pop-up right here, there is a text where you can use to verify the pop-up. So I use the verify text presence to help me verify if is the pop-up display or not. So I'm gonna block the text right here and then copy it and then paste it on the value. I'm gonna set string because the value is text. And for the failure handling, I'm gonna click optional. And then I click OK, OK, then OK. So after we create the statement, I'm gonna add the step if the statement is true. I'm gonna click add right here, and then I'm gonna ask Katalon to fill the pop-up. First, I'm gonna ask to select the domicile, yeah, by using select option by label, yeah. And for the object, I already have the object right here. Data diri, select kabupaten kota, and because I choose by label, I'm gonna type the label. Because I don't need the particular data to choose. I just want to. I just wanna the pop up is gone, so I can use the account. I'm gonna use city right here, Jakarta Barat, DKI Jakarta. And then I'm gonna ask Katalon to fill out the phone number field. I'm gonna add some random number, and after that I'm gonna ask Katalon to submit the data. This is the button right here, and after that I'm gonna ask to wait for page load. There you go. Here are the steps if the statement is true. What if the statement false? What if I use the complete data account? Simply, I just ask Katalon to wait for page load. That's it. And then we save it. There you go. We have one complete test case. Oh, wait, I'm gonna change the step right here. And then I'm gonna ask Katalon to run the test case. And then we play. There you go. There is for case if I use incomplete data. What if I use completed data? Is it gonna work? Here I already have the account. I'm gonna save it, and then I'm gonna ask Katalon to run it again for me. Okay, we just logged in. There you go. Okay, right here, after we logging in, and then the Katalon will start to verify if the pop-up display or not. Apparently not, and then they just run the else statement, an action else, and then the system just run the else step, which is wait for page load right here. I hope that helpful. Yeah, if you have any other question, you can ask me on Catalan Community Hub, or just reply this link of the video. Thank you.